more reactive element. Less reactive elements, more reactive elements. Okay, friends. Now the less reactive elements are displaced by that more reactive elements. Less reactive elements are displaced by that more reactive elements. Less reactive elements are displaced by that more reactive elements. Okay, friends. Less reactive elements are displaced by that more reactive elements. Now in this one, now in this reactions, you are getting that titanium metal. So that means you have to obtain the titanium metal, extract the titanium metal, and extract the titanium metal, and here also same. Here you have to extract that vanadium metal. Okay, friends. So these are that these reactions are also known as okay. What about this one? Displacement. Okay, friends. Displacement reactions. Now it is also known as that okay, friends. Exothermic reactions. These reactions are also known as exothermic reactions. Okay, friends. After completion of these reactions, if the okay, friends, if the oxides are if that okay, displacement reaction is conducted by that if we have to use that aluminium, so such type of reactions are called as aluminium thermate reaction. Okay, friends, aluminium thermate process. Now that is the aluminium, okay, friends, aluminium thermate. Okay, now this is aluminium thermate process. Now here what is meant by aluminium thermate process? First of all, you have to take that now that is the Fe2O3, okay, friends, and next to react with 2 moles of aluminium. So now it is connected by above 800 degrees centigrade temperature. Okay, friends. Now here what happens here? Now the iron metal which is displaced by Al metal. Okay, friends. Now it should be displaced by that aluminium metal. So in this case, you have to getting this type of words. Al2O3 plus what about this one here? This one is the Al2O3 and next one is 2 moles of iron is obtained. Okay, friends, 2 moles of iron is obtained. And next compound is the now what about this one? Cr2O3, which is also react with aluminium and gives rise to now the what about this one, students here? Now this is not greater than 800, not less than, okay, greater than 800 degrees centigrade. Now here Al2O3 is formed and next the 2 moles of chromium metal is obtained. Okay, now so this type of reactions are called as aluminium thermate process. Okay, now aluminium thermate process. Aluminium metal displaces the iron in the first case. Aluminium metal displaces the chromium in the second case. Now these reactions are carried out in presence of temperature, suitable temperature. So that's why this type of such type of reaction is called as aluminium thermate reactions. Okay, students. Now I have completed this one. And next and last concept in this one is the what about the last concept here? Now the extraction of metal. Okay, at the bottom of the activity series. Okay, friends. Extraction of the metals at the bottom of the activity series. So now this is the last one. So in this third one, so that means that is the extraction. Okay, friends, of metals. Extraction of metals at the bottom of okay, bottom of activity. Okay, friends, bottom of activity chemical series. Okay, friends, bottom of activity chemical series. Now which metals are present in this one, friends, here? Now actually we know that is the first one is the Hg. How to take that one? Hg, mercury, and next one is the Au, and you know Ag. Okay, friends, and last one is the platinum. So these metals are the very less reactive. Okay, na? Less reactive, okay, metal elements. So these are the less reactive metal elements. So that's why these are present at bottom of that okay, activity series list. Now first you should take what about this one, students, here? You should take this one and next one this one. Okay, students. First of all, in this one actually you have to take that one 2 moles of Hg. Okay, students. 2 moles of HCS. Now that is the Cinnabar. So reacted with what about this one? 3 moles of O2. So gives rise to, okay, students, here gives rise to what about this one? 2 moles of HGO plus SO2. and here how to take the 2 moles of HGO and on heating process, same process. Now we are getting that what about this one, Hc plus in the O2 reaction. Okay, so this is the one type of that means extraction of mercury from that cinnabar compound. Okay, now and next one is the argenate Ag2S, friends. Next last reaction is the Ag2S. Now you have to take that one. Now here we should take the 2 moles of Ag2S reacts with 3 moles of oxygen and gives rise to heating process. And okay, friends, you should get that this one is the Ag. Okay, friends, AgO, and here next one is what about this one, friends? Here and next one is the SO2 compound. So two here, not this one. Okay, two only. Ag2O and this one, and you are getting this type of compound. And next one is the 2 moles of AgO gives rise to, now here this one is the Ag and next one is the O2 compounds. Okay, now so these are the compounds, but actually these compounds are extracted by that another methods. Now those methods are actually involved in that smelting process. Okay, friends, smelting process. Now what are those methods? We will discuss about that those methods also. Okay, friends. Now first of all we should take that this is the second type of reaction. Okay, friends. Now here you have to take that unit Ag2S plus 4 moles of Cl minus. Okay, friends. And now from this one gives rise to, now here 2 moles of AgCN taken 2 times, and here this one is the plus S minus 2. Okay, now so these are the products. Okay, friends, I hope it is the balanced equation. And next one you have to take that one. Now 2 moles of AgCN taken 2 times, so this one is the negative sign plus displaced by that zinc element. Okay, friends, I hope you are followed. Okay, now zinc elements. Next one is the here you are getting that now there is the ZnCN taken 4 times and minus and it's the 2 moles of Ag. So you are obtained, you are prepared that silver metal in that case. Okay, friends. So this is the one of the extraction method from that bottom of the activity series. Okay, we have last reaction now, that is with that Rm with the help of, what about the students here? Now Rm and next one is the reaction with silent. So you should take that 4 moles of Au, okay, students, and 8 moles of Cn minus, and next one the 2 moles of water plus O2. So gives rise to, it should produce or it should give rise to now this type of compounds. Now that is the 4 moles of Au, Cn taken 2 times, and here you should get the minus charge and it's the 4 moles of OH minus. Okay, students. And next one is the, should take the half of the moles, that means 2 moles of AuCN taken 2 times and minus displacement of, that means zinc, and gives rise to, what about this one here, Zn, okay, Cn taken 4 times and this one is the minus charge, and plus you have to get the 2 moles of Rl. Okay, so these are the extraction methods. Okay, students. Once again, all of you look at the board. Now this one is the Au react with 8 moles of Cn minus ions and water molecules and O2. So this combination is known as aqueous solution. So from this aqueous solution, you are getting the intermediate step, 4 moles of Au, Cn taken 2 times, minus 2, and 4 OH minus ions. And again, you have to take that this moles in the half, that is half of the portion. Okay, 2 moles of AuCN taken 2 times, minus and zinc. Now here in this reaction, now it undergoes the top displacement reaction. Now here zinc displaces the Rm. Okay, now you are getting that zinc cyanide and it's in the Rm. So in the first case also say, what about silver cyanide, that means silver argentite. So in the silver argentite also undergoes that displacement by that zinc element. Finally you are getting that you are prepared, or you want to extract that silver pure metal. Okay students, I hope you have understood. So this is the complete, that means up to here we have completed now that is the complete extraction methods. In the next class I will discuss about that now that is the purification method, that means refining process. So the refining process, the last process, I hope it will complete in tomorrow session. Okay students, thank you.